Hello everyone, my name is Iris and this is week's one discussion. And for this week, we had to identify the 4 types of self-regulation and also discuss the difference between self-regulation and self-control. So for this part of the video, I will be referencing the video provided to us through the assignment, and it's a YouTube video titled Self-Regulation Skills, Why They Are Fundamental by Committee for Children. And through the video, I learned that there are 4 types of self-regulation, but only 3 of those exist in the executive function. The 3 that exist in the executive function are flexible attention, working memory, inhibitory control, and the 4th one, which is not part of the executive function, is managing emotion. Flexible attention is the mental process that enables us to plan. It allows us to focus our attention. It allows us to remember instruction and also being able to multitask. Working memory is where our brain processes information. Here, it can hold and manipulate the information. Inhibitory control is the ability to be able to control behaviors. It allows us to be able to control our thoughts and also our emotions. And then another interesting thing that I learned through the video is when we are angry or scared, it is hard for us to use our executive function because our emotions are so powerful that it overrides them, and it makes it difficult for us to listen. It makes it difficult for us to remember rules and stay focused, and it even prevents us from learning. That is when self-regulation kicks in, and it allows us to manage our emotions, and the executive functions are in control once again. And for the second part of the question, discuss the difference between self-regulation and self-control. And through the PowerPoint provided by the Professor Farashian, she states that self-regulation is the ability to manage your energy states, emotion, thoughts, and behaviors in ways that are acceptable and produce positive results such as well-being, loving relationships, and the ability to learn. And from an article by Barbara J. King, why it's self-regulation, not self-control that matters most for kids. She states that self-control is about inhibiting impulses. Self-regulation is about identifying the causes and reducing the intensity of impulses, and when necessary, having the energy to resist. So for self-control, an example that I can think of is because, not now, but because at the time I was on a diet and I knew I wanted to stay away from junk food, from high saturated fats, from sweets in order to lose weight to achieve my goal. I had the self-control to stay away from those food items, even though they were right in front of me or even though people around me were eating them. So that was an example for self-control for me. And that's the end of my video. And I hope it was informational, and thank you for listening.